welcome back, guys. What's up? Here with RPG. Okay, all right, so you know the regular box, the regular package. So we got a headband wig. I think this is my first headband wig from RPG actually. So I got 5 headbands in total. I have similar styles to these already. They gave me 2 of the same things here. Okay, no, these are similar. They're not the same thing. So that's what I got for the headbands. I got a thank you pamphlet as usual. Hey, that's me. So yeah, then we got the wig, and the information is on the front here. It says it's a natural hair color. It's 22 inches long and it's 150% for the density, and it's a Yaki straight headband wig. So let me go ahead and heat up my flat iron. Oh, this is really long though. Like, this is really long. It looks like it's even longer than 22 inches. What? I'm not gonna lie, I love getting inches. This is very thick and nice. So this is how the wig looks. Okay, so the construction, it has a headband, of course, the headband portion, and you can adjust it on the headband portion as well, as much as you like, to how tight or loose you'd like it to be. Sorry for the background noise, it's raining currently and I have my window open. Okay, all right. And it has 4 combs in total, 3 in the front portion, 1 in the back. The one in the back is a little bit longer than the ones in the front. It also has adjustable straps where you can make it even tighter and looser again. And yeah, so we're gonna just jump into this, and I'm gonna go through it with my flat iron. I actually jumped into starting to straighten this hair. I was recording and my camera just went off, and I don't know why, but like I started to flat iron the hair. So this side is not yet flat iron, right? This side is flat iron. Like, all I can say is I feel like I found the it flat iron. Like, I don't know. As I said, I bought the Babyliss Titanium, the Nano Babyliss Titanium Pro flat iron, and it really was not bad, for me at least. It did an okay job. For the most part, I see other people use it and it works well for them based on my the reviews I watch and stuff, but I don't know. If you guys been following up with me, you'd see that in a couple previous videos I tried this Kiposi out, and it was really good. So I'm just gonna straighten this entire thing with it because it's bomb, and it's an ultimate throw and go wig, by the way. As you can see, like, the side where it's not yet flat iron looks pretty good, but I'm just being extra, honestly, because I want that bone straight, kinky straight look. But this here is like the perfect, what would you say, you know, like if you have 4C here and you blow it out and straighten it and stuff, I feel like this is how it would look. This is exactly, if you're looking for that strong natural look, look at that. Look at that. This is kinky straight hair, guys. It's so pretty. RPG! It's gorgeous.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found. For you and I, we're safe and sound.
You know them straight here the way I see my some music video? No. Who can tell me that this is not butter? Who? This is just gorgeous. Gorgeous. The flat iron definitely got it even more bone straight. It didn't take long at all. It took me like a total probably of 8 to 10 minutes to straighten this entire thing. I didn't have to do super small sections. Like, I wish you guys could touch this. But I'm gonna put all the specifications down below, so if you guys are interested in getting the wig, you can get it for yourself. Honestly, I'm not seeing much flyaways in this at all. It's so nicely done. Let me put it to the it win. I can tell you right now, I'm declaring it. In terms of straight hair, straight kinky hair, this is the best straight kinky hair headband wig I've gotten so far. The best one. I got that video here on him. The best straight kinky headband wig. If you want straight hair but you don't want, like, you know, when you want straight hair but you don't want the super silky kind, you like that coarser texture, this is that. You know, it's not hard to straighten. And this is only 22 inches, but it really feels like 24 on me. It really feels like 24. Thank you RPGHair for sponsoring this video. I'm very grateful. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really just had to show you guys how bomb this quality headband wig is. Headband wigs are dominating right now, okay? Let me just put that out there, okay? And I feel like this wig is perfect for fall, you know? I really do. So, yeah, as I said, just check out the description box. Leave your thoughts down below. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And thank you guys for watching. And just go and stay tuned to my channel for whatever else I have coming. That's pretty much it for today. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!